Okay, so I promised an unboxing of the pH lip balm, but you know what? I couldn't wait. I used it yesterday. I wanted to try it out. So here's what the box looks like. Okay, it comes in two different shades, pink and berry, and I got pink, and I'm gonna put it on, and then it reacts with your own lip and kind of customizes a color that works for you. So I'm gonna put it on. It feels so good and soft. It's really moisturizing. And then I'm gonna wait a few minutes and I'll show you the color it ends up, okay? It actually reminds me of a product, the feel and the color of it remind me of a product that I got in a Birchbox ages ago. So this lip balm I fell in love with. I kept it in my shooting bag for a long, long time because at weddings I could put it on and it just give me a touch of color and moisture and get me through the rest of the day. But when I went to replace it after I ran out, it was like, I don't know, $40 for a lip balm. So I never bought it. I'm not gonna spend that on lip balm. So anyway, I was really excited to try this product because, and in fact, when I got it and tried it yesterday, I was like, hey, it reminds me of that really high-end lip balm, or lip balm. So I'll be back in a few minutes to show you the final color. This is the color I ended up with from my pink pH balm. So I love it. It's just natural, kind of gives your lips a little bit of color. It doesn't rub off pink. It's still clear, but it kind of changed the color of your lip.